Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a new set and I'm going to call this Sheila's Cucina episode 1. In today's video we are going to make, it's called dalgona coffee. So I'm going to make dalgona coffee with tapioca. Okay. So let's get started. To make dalgona coffee or these one. So we have black coffee and we have sugar, white sugar, and we have the tapioca, and the last one is our milk. So this one is unsweetened milk because this is like soya milk. So that's it for the video and I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe everyone. Stay at home and wash your hands frequently. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much.